Welcome back to Caught on DashCam, a channel that brings you only the latest content from the roads all over the world. We got all sorts of crazy drivers doing crazy stuff on the road. We won't keep you in suspense for much longer. Press play and enjoy the show. One driver ran a red light, and you guess what happens when you run a red light? They didn't grab a cup of coffee for sure.
Non, je sais, sauf qu'il y a des gens, il y a des filles, qui fait lui.
Mais toi, ton ex, elle fait-tu jeudi qu'elle a...
Ah ouais? Ah, mais tabarnak. Ça, là, je veux chialer. Check les listes. Tu vois, il tournait pas parce qu'il n'était pas à la bonne voie.
Mais toi, ça serait moi.
Semi-truck driver came across a crash aftermath during the night, and he nearly hit a wrecked car as well. Check it out.
Proposed routing of I-73 and I-74 actually has both of them ending in MAURO Beach, with I-74 having a bizarre change to MAURO Beach instead. But do we really think North Carolina will spend money to divert an interstate away from its home?
Wind pushed a shopping cart towards a parked vehicle, and the camera reacted just on time and prevented it from causing any damage.
This one? No. Yeah.
Pay close attention at the driver in a white pickup truck in front of the camera. It came to road rage when the camera passed him by. Stay tuned to see exactly how it all unfolded.
Maybe that's adulting. You know, just try to force something. You just gotta let it breathe, you know? And I want to thank you for being in here.
Oh, no.
Taking a lot of phone calls. Some made it here and some didn't.
I saw Peyton Manning run one in at Texas Stadium, Brad. So I wouldn't be surprised to see.
They took it.
That was
I guess we did. No,
against
I was,
Jackson.
oh
I'm
my
trying to remember the score. Well, They went to overtime. Do you remember? I feel like it was 34.
Fucking took
Oh,
red.
it's drunk.
What have we got
Yeah,
here
not
today?
paying
It's
attention.
Philadelphia 34, Dallas 34. Oh, okay.
Keep away from your phone while driving. Trust me, the risk is too great and not worth it at all.
There's two trucks parked here at the start of the brake check with no room for me to get through. None of us can get in the brake check because you're sitting here with runway in front of you?
Her body vanished from the morgue hours later, Clinton added. She then reappeared. His footsteps noiseless.
With this clip, we reach the end of another episode on Core and DashCam channel. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.